disgusting. Ugh. Aha! Finally! Experiment number 20. Whether you can paint a picture with lipstick. Yeah, that didn't work. Ugh. It seems all my experiments of turning makeup into paint have failed. Oh, what should I do next?
Hi everyone! Today I have your favorite blogger, one of the coolest slime crafters I've ever met, Sam the Slime.
Huh? What? Where am I?
Today we will create giant beauty products. We'll start with the foundation.
A giant makeup experiment? Sounds perfect to me! Let's do it! As a real pro, I can tell you that all beauty products must be labeled.
That's a great point. We wouldn't want to mistake our giant foundation for a moisturizing lotion. Now let's fill up the bottle. This is taking a lot longer than I thought.
Yeah, at this rate, we won't be done until next Christmas. Hey guys, does anyone have any spare foundation?
I do! Here you go, Sammy. Awesome! Things should move a lot faster now. Done! We can test it now. Wow, it's working. Okay, I need a beauty blender.
Hi there!
Huh? Sammy? What are you doing?
I just thought that our giant foundation needs a giant beauty blender.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh, wow! Look at this. I think this foundation is even better than my regular one. Oops.
Oh no! We have a beauty emergency! We need setting powder stat!
Well, Sammy, will this one work?
I'm afraid that giant foundation can only be secured with giant powder.
5-minute break! We need a makeup fix and get the mirror!
Oh, I'm still as handsome as ever, eh? And this will fit right in our powder case!
Don't forget about the label. Not only is it convenient, but it makes the packaging cuter. Alrighty, let's do this. Oh no, I think my assistant forgot to stock up on powder. What do we do?
Let me use my creative mind. Yeah, that should do it.
Now, I'll try to mix the powder with my mind. Come on, powder, mix yourself. Oh well, I guess I'll have to get my hands dirty after all.
Don't worry. If you use this giant puff, your hands will stay clean.
Thank you, Sammy. Let's give it a try. Look at that. Oh, it's just perfect.
Me too. Do me too.
Okay, just watch out for the sneezes.
So, am I handsome yet? Let me see. What? Oh no! Where did my pinkness go? It's not working.
Wait, I have blush too.
You think that's gonna be enough? I need at least this much.
Then we'll use this container for our next beauty product. Giant blush. Hey, it reminds me of my cookie container.
What? Cookies? Cookies! Where are they? Tell me now! Ah!
I'll give you one, but we need to find more blush to fill this container.
Got it! I'll be right back! Come on, Sammy, hurry up! My cookies are getting cold back there! Ah!
No way. Are you Sam the Slime?
No, you have mistaken me for someone else.
Girls, it's the Sam. Oh, we really love your videos. Giant beauty products are so cool.
Thanks. Now let me through. Let me through. It's not easy being a celebrity. I'm telling ya.
Here's a cookie for your efforts.
Yay!
In the meantime, I'll get to work on our blush. Now, how can we compress them?
Cannonball! I finally got my pink back.
And look at that! Our blushes are ready! Who knew the secret ingredient was? Slime!
This slime is also an awesome makeup artist. Let me help you out here. Voila!
Oh, thank you, Sammy. How do I look?
You look amazing. But this makeup lacks the glow. We need a highlighter.
Okay, let's turn this plain highlighter into a giant one.
I like the way you think. The shinier the better.
And we'll even do the packaging in your favorite color.
Nice! Let me guess. Now we need lots of highlighters?
Yeah, about that. Here's the thing. We couldn't find any.
Shiver me, Cheddars. What shall we do now?
Have you asked Jessica? She's obsessed with them. More. Give me more. I want to shine.
Hey! Oh no, that sounded serious. She needs my help.
But I need your help too.
Huh, easy peasy. Jessica, I'm coming for you.
Great. Now we can fill our container. Let's see. Oh, look how it shines. So pretty. Let's give it a try. Wow, I shine like a diamond. No way! I'll be the shiniest one here.
No, you won't.
Hey, give it back!
There can only be one shining star on this set, and that's me, Slick Slime Sam!
Whoa! I need a pair of shades for a light show like that.
Giant shades? Sounds uncomfortable. How about giant eyeshadows?
Wow, what beautiful colors. We will totally have to use them.
Check this out. It's like I've been keeping this container especially for that. It even has a mirror.
We want to help too. Here you go. Thank you, girls. This will make our giant eyeshadows really stand out.
Stay back! Professional crafter at work! Hey, what? Come on!
May I offer you a helping hand?
Hey, they don't look right at all. They are crumbly.
I have a simple solution for that. Tap, 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 and check this out. Wow!
Yay! I can finally get to my favorite eye makeup. Come closer, please. This color is the latest trend in slime fashion.
And I can see why. It brings out the eyes so well. We got a lot of eyeshadows. I want to try them all.
You know what's the perfect match for giant eyeshadows? Giant mascara!
I don't know how we can make a giant mascara, Sammy. That sounds impossible.
Nothing's impossible for a true crafter. Let's start by looking for a perfect brush. How about this one?
It's way too soft, but it can tickle you.
all right, I got it. How about this one? It's pretty stiff.
What? Ew, no way.
Okay, just kidding. Here, this should do it.
Are you sure? All right, let's give it a try. Perfect. It even sounds like real mascara when you open it. Oh, Master Sammy, we need your creative touch here.
I'm on it. I think the purple packaging would be great.
I agree. All right, so how are we going to fill up this giant tube?
My creative instincts told me to use paint.
Your instincts are very practical. Now, let's give it a good shake and see what we'll get. Oh, wow, look at that.
I can't believe it. It worked. It really worked.
We don't know that for sure yet. It's time for a test. Yay, we did it. I feel amazing.
You look very pretty. Now all we have to do is lips.
Just look at this giant lipstick tube.
No. Can't you see? It lacks glamour. Now that's more like it.
Actually, it also lacks the lipstick.
Behold, my lipstick collection. I knew it would come in handy someday.
I can't wait to see what color we'll get at the end.
Be careful not to spill it.
It's finally done, and the color is so good. Let's see how it looks on the lips. Oops, came out a little messy.
Let me show you how it's done. There! See?
You are truly a slime of all trades, Sammy. And we are moving on to our final giant beauty product. Oh, I can't wait!
I present to you a one-of-a-kind invention, a giant tube of lip gloss.
Whoa, and it can open and close too? I'm gonna have enough gloss to last a lifetime.
It also has this really cool applicator. I made it out of a paint roller.
Now, to make the gloss itself, we need a moisturizer, an edible glitter, pink of course. Let me pour it all into the tube. Looks nice. And done. Pretty simple, right? But even though it's simple, the result is amazing.
Thank you! I wouldn't have accomplished any of this if it weren't for my co-host.
Oh, come on, Sammy. You're definitely the coolest crafter here.
Yes, I am the coolest crafter ever. Thank you.
Sam, what did you do to my lipstick?
Uh-oh, I gotta go. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
And my eyeshadows, too. Stop right there.